To fix the Shopify liquid error could not find asset snippets, you need to understand what asset snippets are and how they work in Shopify. Asset snippets are small pieces of code that are used to include other assets such as CSS, JavaScript, and image files in your Shopify theme. First, check if the asset snippet file exists in your theme. Asset snippet files are usually located in the Snippets folder of your theme. If the file does not exist, you need to create it. For example, if you are getting an error that says could not find asset snippets header, you need to check if there is a header liquid file in your Snippets folder. Next, check the file name and extension. Asset snippet files should have a liquid extension. Make sure that the file name matches the one specified in the error message. Also, make sure that the file is in the correct location, which is the Snippets folder. Another common cause of this error is a typo in the file name or the snippet tag. Check your code for any typos or spelling mistakes. Make sure that the file name and the snippet tag match exactly. If you have checked all of the above and still getting the error, try checking the theme settings. Sometimes, the theme settings can override the asset snippet files. Check your theme settings to see if there are any settings that are preventing the asset snippet file from being loaded. Finally, try clearing the cache and recompiling the assets. Sometimes, the cache can cause issues with asset snippets. Clearing the cache and recompiling the assets can resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Shopify liquid error could not find asset snippets. Remember to always check the file name and extension, and make sure that the file is in the correct location. Also, check for any typos or spelling mistakes in your code.